Family code has heard the other person also?
Lord, yes,
Other lady
Lord.
also?
Yes, Lord.
Have you given an opportunity? From where did you get this adjudication? This has to be done by some civil court.
Just now I have been served counter affidavit, Lordship. And
What have you claimed?
I have prayed for inclusion of the petitioner's name in the nominees list because he is the first legally wedded wife, and that has been held by the competent court in the criminal proceeding, Lordship.
Criminal proceeding?
Yes, Lordship.
That will not be a...
But Lordship, the counter affidavit speaks, Lordship. They have served the so-called upon the respondent number 7. They have initiated proceeding against them, against him, Lordship.
Why?
My Lord.
Why are they taking action against him?
Lord, now, my Lord, my learned friend has filed this writ application that Asha Devi should be declared to be the only legally wedded wife and entitled to be taken on record as a nominee. We have absolutely no difficulty, my Lord. We have already accepted her because the learned court of magistrate, learned SDJM court under 125 declared the husband to pay maintenance. Thereafter,
That
my Lord,
doesn't make her first wife.
my Lord, it is
How
always,
are you
Lord, the family-
such decisions without there being any declaration between the two? Who is the first wife and second wife?
Lord, the family court order is there, my Lord, and this honorable court's order is, my Lord.
Family code has heard the other person also?
Lord, yes,
Other lady
Lord.
also?
Yes, my Lord. Thereafter, the honorable court asked us to pay the maintenance, etc., from the entitlement of the husband.
The maintenance can be given even to a second wife? Here is
Yes.
the bar. Even to a concubine?
Lord, it was.
That is there in the provision.
Yes, Lord. Even a concubine can claim.
Then
Live-in relationship is also entitled for a maintenance. my Lord.
that doesn't make her a first wife.
Lord, we have a detailed order of learned family
Have
court.
you given an opportunity? From where did you get this adjudication? This has to be done by some civil court.
Yes, my Lord. The family court order is there.
That is under 125 CRPC proceedings. How can you take, Mr. Counsel? Criminal proceedings action can be taken as as a verdict
No, my Lord.
with regard to civil right.
My Lord.
That has been appointed by the High Court. That has been appointed by the High Court.
Thereafter, my Lord, they have come before this court also. There also, my Lord, this issue at page 17, your Lordship will see the order of the maintenance about the date. So that your Lordships are observing that simply the direction to pay 125 maintenance will not put her at the place of the first wife and all.
This is also an ex parte order. Report number 2 was not there.
Then, my Lord, Annexure 3, Lordship, wherein the respondent number 7 itself has filed the appeal, Lordship, revision before this honorable court, Lordship. At page 19.
Respondent number 3 is
Respondent number 7, Lordship, he is the husband of the petitioner, Lordship.
But private respondents number 7 of this rate application, my Lord.
This is a writ petition filed by a lady with praying for that she should be mentioned as a nominee.
Yes, my Lord.
Huh?
She said, my Lord, that in the
She
service
should be
record,
mentioned as a nominee.
legally wedded wife, she should be treated as a legally wedded wife.
So she should be mentioned as a nominee by the respondent number 7 in his service. How can he be bound down? Is he bound to make wife as a nominee in the service rules?
No, my Lord, because legally wedded wife are recorded.
Might be legally wedded wife. Is a government servant bound to nominate his wife as a nominee?
Lord, we write as a nominee the legally wedded wife, my Lord.
That is another thing.
Lordship.
Is he not entitled to make anyone else as a nominee?
The government servant is entitled to make.
Then?
Yes. Now, now
How
this,
can you force a person
No.
that you make the wife as a nominee?
but Lord, only the
And
dispute
you
is
are
about,
agreeing to it?
Lord, the dispute is about the coins. The dispute is about share in the pensionary benefits and all that,
Dispute is about anything.
Lordship.
Can a government servant be asked or directed by this court or by you that you make nominee A, B, C?
No, Lord.
Then
It could be his
how
own
have you
issue.
agreed to it?
Lord, we have not agreed to that.
What
Lord,
you are saying in the court,
Lord, nay, Lord,
you are absolutely agreeing with him that
no,
yes,
no, not at all. Lord, our documents are, our decision in
if
2003.
that man is not ready to even accept her as his wife, he has challenged that order of maintenance before the High Court.
Unsuccessfully.
Might be unsuccessful, one way or the other.
Yes.
But if that is a dispute between the husband and wife, how can you force that husband to nominate this lady as his for his pensionary benefits? He
Lord,
may say that I will not give it to her at all. I may give to my mother, I may give it to my brother.
because, Lord, the order of, Lord, this honorable court and the family court, your Lordship will
The law
issues.
is, the rule is that if there is no mention of anybody in the nomination, then the wife will get it.
Yes. Lord, we have taken, Lord,
Yes,
the
yes.
orders of the family court to be
Where is
the.
the right of getting your name entered in the nomination?
God, Lordship, petitioner is the first wife, Lordship, legally wedded
No,
wife. At
from
that
where
time-
did you get the right to his pensionary benefits? He is in service.
No, Lordship, he has retired, Lordship, now.
Now he might have, at that time he was in service.
He was in service.
So where is the occasion of your self-claiming?
Because he has made nominee to the so-called his second wife, Lordship.
This is a clear case of harassment. You can't harass that man like this. Force him to enter into litigation in the court. This is a frivolous petition. Must have been filed at your advice. You tell us. What is her right of getting her name entered in the nomination? सर्विस रोल्स में नॉमिनेशन का क्लॉज होता है, बताइए अंडर रूल्स दैट लेडी हैज अ राइट टू गेट हर नेम एंटर्ड.
Because, Lordship, she is the first wife, Lordship.
Because whatever
And the other,
he
second wife and her.
may name X, Y, Z. Where is the provision that he should name you?